Alright guys, welcome back to another truck build. I think this is part 3. We're going to focus on getting the this left hand side cabinet done. I think I'm going to do it the same way I did the right side cabinet, so nothing changes, nothing special, you know, just go from there. So that's what I'm going to be working on today, so stay tuned and watch. Alright guys, I'm just sitting here finishing the siding for this cabinet. As you can see, I used the Luan siding. See how sturdy and how well this holds up. Seems like it'll be alright. And this is the finished product with the chipboard top. As you see right here, I left a lip so I can put stuff and it doesn't slide off. Now this top is a little bowed. The chipboard warped a little while sitting outside, so just gonna deal with it. No biggie. I could put a lock on this top to hold it from bowing. I don't know if I will or not. I'm not really too worried about it. And then right here I'll be putting the electric panel, which will be in the next video, so watch for that. Alright guys, see you next time.